Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again to this YouTube video entitled How to Invest in a Down Stock Market, otherwise known as a bear market. As the date of this video, June 21st, 2022, we are in a bear market. The market has declined. The S&P 500 has declined over 20%. That defines a bear market. I want to get something straight. By the way, my name is Sanford Khan. I'm a business author speaker. I'm not encouraging you in any way. I'm not encouraging you in any way to invest in a down market. This is for those people who are committed to the stock market, no matter if it goes up, down, sideways, whatever, year after year, they want to be committed and invest in the market. It's only for those type of people. I'm one of those people, by the way. I am committed to the market, whether it goes up, down, whatever. Eventually, over longer periods of time, it goes up. History has proven that. So how do you invest in a bear market, down stock market? I encourage you, if you wish to do this, to look up, you could go to Google, look up the Dividend Aristocrats. That's their actual name. You could type in, what are the Dividend Aristocrats in Google? And it'll pop right up. I know because I did it right before this video. Let me define what the Dividend Aristocrats are. They are now, at this time, 65 stocks that qualify as the Dividend Aristocrats. When I started to look at them a number of years ago, they were only 50. Now they're 65. To be a Dividend Aristocrat, you have to be on the S&P 500. That's given. You also have to be paying to your stockholders at least 25 years of consecutive dividends. Not only that, for at least the last 25 years, you also have to be increasing your dividend every year for at least the last 25 years. So, if you want to invest in the stock market, why not invest in the Dividend Aristocrats? I can't tell you which one to invest in. You have to look them up and find out which one is suitable for your taste and your type of personality. And the way you do that is a way that's been done for a long period of time, especially for the small investor. You dollar cost average. You find a stock or stocks in the Dividend Aristocrats that you like, and you put in X amount of dollars on a periodic basis. It could be every quarter, every 4 months, every 6 months, whatever. You decide. And just dollar cost average it, and your dividends will grow. Even if the stock stays down for a while, at least, you see, when they pay you a dividend, at least they're paying you to own the stock. So you get a dividend. And if they're increasing it every year, eventually that stock goes up. And sometimes when the stock is low and you're putting in a fixed amount, you buy more shares. When the stock is higher and you put in a fixed amount, you buy less shares. But over time, you'll have more and more shares and more dividends. That's the way to do it. Look at the Dividend Aristocrats. Find which ones you want, and then put in a periodic amount of money over time, and just buy and hold. That's what Warren Buffett does. Remember, Warren Buffett, somebody asked him, well, when do you sell his stocks? He said never. That's not completely true. He has sold stocks, but the gist is just hold them and collect the dividends and see them grow. That's it. I can't say anything more. Well, actually, I could say something more. Please, I would encourage you to subscribe to this video. Hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it very much. Till we meet again, be liquid, be safe, and I'll see you again. Bye now.